Hey vlog, it's Robbie.
Ashley.
Welcome to episode 6.
I live in the wildlife.
What's it, Brian? Yes.
Ah. Whoa. It looks like one foot was a phone.
Three, 2, 1, action.
We're back.
Here we go.
Again. Better than ever.
Back in better, baby.
Hey guys, so we're here. We have practice from like 10 to 7 today.
10 to 7?
I have some,
Basically.
It is from 10 to 7.
Realistically.
You have donuts?
well, I have donuts.
Big girls gotta eat. We're supposed to have our bags behind the block.
I take a nap. I take a nap right here. My eyes look so blue.
I know, this is the best quality I've ever seen in my life.
Alright everyone, we're at practice. It's 10:06, 25. We're doing 25 squats. We're getting those legs warmed up.
Just shoot for the stars. If it feels right, and aim for my heart. If you feel like.
Hey Coach Ray. Coach Ray. Don't come and keep that same energy over there. Keep that same energy. Alright Lexi, what are we doing today?
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, yeah.
We're dancing. Jerry, how do you feel about getting our dance today?
I'm excited, and if I'm not in the front, I'm gonna be highly upset.
Well, be prepared to be
highly
upset.
mad.
Be upset because you're not in the front. Hey y'all. Are you excited for today? We're getting our dance. So there he is. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Oh, you feel brand new with those earrings in, don't you?
Hey, a brand new queen.
Coach Courtney, say hey to the camera.
Hey vlog, we're working on pyramid right now. It's going great and we're competing it today. Why are you looking at me?
I just like watching your vlog. It's funny.
Okay, Tucker. Hard and heavy.
Hey everyone, we just did our pyramid. It looks kind of good.
We're thriving. We're eating. We're hitting zero.
We're about to watch our pyramid for the first time on the screen, so we'll see how it goes.
I feel pretty good about it. Whoa, I look crazy.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah, we've probably done 8 reps. 10.
reps.
Oh, here we go.
There we go.
Wow, look at that. Look at that straight up.
Wow. Wow.
That is visual as.
I was videotaping myself. How do you feel about practice today? How do you feel about today?
He's unseeing it. Unseen.
Is it a great day?
Yes.
Are the girls kind of mad? Okay, we're doing our pyramid. How's it feel? How's it going?
It feels great.
It's a pyramid.
Shine bright like a diamond.
It's kind of cute. We're still getting there. Hey, ladies. Hey. Hey. We're pushing. We're all pushing. Hey, Justin.
Hello?
We're getting
Is he on our team?
No, he's on our team.
Legends only.
He'll never be on this team. This is a
Legends only,
team.
boo.
Yeah, then get out.
Look how pretty Gabby looks today. The queen.
No. We're doing pull-outs, building skills, and we're pushing.
We're thriving.
I was almost busted in stand-up. I've never done that.
Keep fighting.
Soldier. I'm about to run out.
Ray, how do you feel about this mob challenge right now? Are we gonna win? Are we gonna win the pyramid?
Are you gonna hit your shoulder stand?
My shoulder stands already hit, baby, so let's go. What's the next question?
I want to read you via vlog right now.
My shoulder stands always hit. It's never wobbly. It always hits. It's always hitting. Alumni head.
Alumni in town.
Alumni in town. Say hey, Lexi. How's it going?
Look, get me
We're about to do the pyramid, and Tucker just elbowed my tooth in the pyramid, and I think he pushed my braces back.
Nobody cares. It's okay.
Yeah, that's Justin's braces right there.
It's hot out here. Lexi. How do you feel about that pyramid?
This is Grace. Who just won?
Yeah! We finally won something. That's why it's okay. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Yes, guys.
Get up. Get
We just
up.
won.
The Wildcats like y'all did so good today. We thought y'all should get to take the mop home with y'all.
From one cheer athletics to the next.
For
Dance Korea.
Yeah. So we are at dance choreography. We have this till 7, which is
2:30
going
to
to be
7.
Yeah, but it's like 2 o'clock right now because we have to go do our team break again and again and then
Again.
again and then
4 times, 6, 7, 9. Can't. I lost count.
Dance, yes, love, next, dance, yes, love.
Hi vlog, how are you? Is Wildcats having choreography today?
we
are.
Can't wait to see you check it out.
I got a new tattoo, guys. It's nice and pretty. Putting some wax on it. Oh. Ow!
First of all, you should have looked at the camera. Nasty.
Good, Lexi, good.
Hey guys, it's Maggie and I'm with Gabby and we're Gabitha and Magatha. This is P right there. Oh my god, it's so rough. We're on our, what hour of cheer is this? 9.5 hours today.
How do you like it so far, Jerry?
I'm loving it. It's going to be amazing. Everybody's going to be shook as usual. As with the rest of our routine. So you already know how we come in.
Alright.
Coming at you.
Going up well.
Ghetto stream.
Oh,
I got to say.
The ghetto was jumping out on Wildcats this year.
I knitted on my neck 10 times.
That was so down, and it's the rough cut. Like Patrick hasn't done everything to it that he's going to do. So that's a very, very rough version.
Hey guys, we just finished a very long day here at Cheer Athletics and it's time for it to come to an end.
Where is the moment we needed the most? Tell me your blue skies fade to gray. Tell me your passion's gone away, and I don't need no carrying on. 'Cause you had a bad day, you're taking one down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around. You had a bad day.
We're here, we're thriving. We just got done. I'm tired, exhausted from this long day of practices. But I always look good, boo. Duh. I love y'all so much. I can't wait to see y'all the rest of the season. Thank you for watching, guys.
3, 2, 1. That's a wrap.